guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA Forever Run Nitro Sunset. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the PUMA Forever Run Nitro Sunset. We've got this in the white luminous blue colorway in the UK size 7.5, it's European 41, and it's US 8.5. Showing, and here they are, very lightweight. These are proper running sneakers, and you can tell by that massive midsole unit that it's there for your cushioning as well. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole with the PUMA grip traction patterning right there. You can see the PUMA grip right there, and essentially you can see it's an exposed part of the midsole. Obviously see it here, and it fits in that run guide system from PUMA. So it's the shape, it's the stability, all there. You can see that it's a wider base as well if you look, if I was to hold it up to you, and that's great for your stability whilst you're running like long distance runnings. Moving on onto the midsole. So again, I touched upon it when I showed the outsole because it was exposed, but you have this massive midsole unit, and it uses nitrogen, or PUMA's nitro technology, which is a nitrogen infused foam. So it's very lightweight. It's there for your strides. It's there to help you have a bounce in your step, and that's what you want when you're running. You want an accelerated, like a little boost whilst you're with every stride that you take. The upper materials, so if you look at the upper, so it's all synthetic materials, it's all mesh, and it uses PUMA's power tape. Right there, you can see it on the lateral side, and it is shown there on the medial side. Sorry, right there, the medial side. And it's there for, again, to help keep your feet locked down. With it being a mesh, it's very breathable. Again, very lightweight, that's what you want in your running sneakers. The lacing system is a quick lace system right there for you, and you've got the Forever Run on the tongue. It's microfiber tongue right there as well. I just want to mention about the stability that's used here. So you can see at the heel that you got your plastic kind of guards in the heel, and it's just a PUMA's run guide system to help lock down your feet whilst it's in the sneaker, so there's no slippages. And you got the pull tab right there for you to easy access for your feet to go in. Very nicely cushioned ankle support. If you look at the inside, right there, and the insole is again made out of synthetic materials, and you've got the PUMA Forever Run logo also. Again, I can't tell you how lightweight these are. I'm really excited to try these on because I've never tried on a pair of nitro infused sneakers, so which is really cool. If you want to see us do a performance review, we have done some running performance reviews in past before, so do check those out. We won't know until you guys let us know, so if you want to see more of that content, let us know in the comment section below. Till then, roll that footage of me trying these Forever Run Nitro Sunsets on for you. it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size PUMA fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 when it comes to most sneakers, including Nike and Adidas. Well, not Adidas, for Nike and New Balance. My toes are where they need to be. Very good lockdown support system. I don't feel like my feet are gonna slip out. And I can feel like there's an extra bounce in my step with the midsole unit. It's very thick. It's very comfortable as well. And you can see by the wide base, I'll show you here. So there, it's relatively wide, and I feel very stable. Got good balance as well for the runs ahead of me. For those wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo joggers, a very wide parachute pants as well. I think they're still available on Uniqlo's website. Do check that out at the time of this recording. We'll see what we can find you. If anyone from Uniqlo is watching, we know that you are. Throw some joggers at your boys' way. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with the Z at the end on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time guys, peace.